All right, happy Wednesday, 7th grade. We're taking a look. First of all, read the answers to yesterday's homework. So if you don't have your book and paper right there, just pause the video, go get your book and paper from yesterday, and then you can restart the video. All right? So we're on page 497 and 498. And I'll read the answers. All right. So number 2 is 0. Number 4 is 20. Number 6 is 56. Number 8 is 66. Number 10 is negative 56. Number 12 is 175. Number 14 is 72. Number 16 is negative 112. Number 18 is negative 21. Number 20 is 36. Number 22 is negative 27. Number 24 is negative 400. Number 26 is negative 11. Number 28 is 21. Number 30 is negative 4. So a couple things before we go to the next page. Some of you might have just had the wrong sign. Some of you might have had wrong answer altogether. So especially if you look down in like 14 through 24, notice you have 3 numbers. And so if it looks a little funny, that's because you'll have 2 numbers that are in parentheses, just so that you know that the sign there is not that you're subtracting. All right, and then outside the parentheses, you basically just have 3 numbers together with no kind of operation sign. Okay, and so the parentheses are also there just so that you know for sure that that's not just one number made up of 3 digits. Okay, so those are all multiplication, and if you're multiplying 3 things, just remember you're doing 2 of them at a time. Don't try and look at all 3 of them and figure out what the sign is. Okay, do them 2 at a time. Okay, and then do the third one. Now, when you look at 26 through 30, notice the directions say perform the indicated operations. And so you have sum, addition, and multiplication, or subtraction and multiplication. So remember, just follow your order of operations. So you're going to do multiplication first, or inside the parentheses, and then multiplication, or addition inside the parentheses. You always do inside the parentheses first, and then do your addition or subtraction. Okay? So that might be, if you had something, just a way different answer, it could be that you didn't you didn't follow order of operations. Okay? So when we get over to 498, 32 is that he had a weight loss, that he lost 28 pounds. Or you could say that his change was a negative 28 pounds. Either way. So you could just say he lost 28 pounds. Or you could say his weight changed by a negative 28 pounds. All right, so either way. And then 34 is greater than, 36 is less than, 38 is greater than. Okay? And then 40, looking at the table, for the first one, where he brought in $345,823, and his cost was $87,274. His profit or loss, So if it was a profit, he gained it, that would be positive. Okay, so that is a positive $258,549. Now you look at the second one, it cost more money than he took in, so he had a loss. So this one would be negative $4,199. The next one would be a negative $5,683, so he lost that much. Then the next one would be a profit, so it's positive, $22.19. Then notice it says total profit or loss. So if I add all of those profit or loss things together, okay, since I have some of them that are negative and some of them are positive, all right, when you add all that together, so you're adding positives and negatives, your answer should be $270,686. So he had, sometimes he lost, sometimes he gained. Overall, he gained, he profited $270,686. Okay? And then, so that's 40 and 42. The answer is 315. Okay? All right. So let's go on. The next section, which starts on 499, 11.6. Notice this is division. Now, they take you through some stuff and everything, wanting for you to discover by doing these things, looking at the patterns, they're wanting you to discover or figure out the rules for division and integers. All right? But eventually, and you could go through those things and see if you see the patterns, okay? But eventually, you go over on page 500 and it gives you the rules. And funny thing, they're the same rules as multiplication. Remember, multiplication and division are opposite operations, all right? And now, you might then think that somehow it's going to have an opposite effect. But if you look at it and you work some of the problems and you look at the examples, but the notice up there at the top, it tells you that when you're multiplying or dividing integers, that if you have two numbers that are the same sign, they're either both positive or they're both negative, your answer is going to be positive. If one of them, it doesn't matter which one, could be the dividend, could be the divisor, doesn't matter. If one's positive and one's negative, your answer is going to be negative. That's it. It's the same thing as multiplication. If the signs are the same, your answer is positive. If the signs are different, mixed, okay, your answer is going to be negative. And that's it, guys. It doesn't, So every example is leading you to that, and then you've got your exercises, okay? And this is just page 501, okay? Just page 501, evens. All right, and we'll see you back out here tomorrow.